I'm Holly Silva and I've been a crafts expert for 15 years, and today I'm going to show you how to make paper checkered hearts. So here I have a piece of construction paper. I like blue because I like how it's going to stand out with the red. Now what I'm going to do is take my Elmer's glue and glue down these lovely little hearts that I made out of construction paper. And I'm going to apply them in a checkered pattern. Now, because they're not squares, you're going to take the angle of the bottom and you're going to match it with the angle of the next bottom up. You're going to glue them diagonally, like so, leaving evenly spaced between the next ones that you glue. Okay? So see this line here? We're going to take this one and line it up and make sure that the line goes there. And that's really the most important part about making these checkering this paper with hearts, is just making sure that the angles line up. Because really, if you look at a checkerboard, that's the principle that they use. They, meaning the people who make checkerboards, just angles to angles. And then you're going to do another one up about here. Now check this out. This one is going to line up with the bottom of the right, line up with the bottom of the left. My right, your left. And then we'll do the next one here. And just a tad. And does it line up with these two? Let's see, we'll go about there. And there we are. Now after that, you're going to take your scissors and cut about the top height, the highest place of heart, the highest place of where you set your heart on paper. And you're going to cut right down the side. Let's see, straighten that up a bit. There we go. And that is how you make paper checkered hearts. See you next time.